Hello guys, it's my second video. So we can solve Sudoku. 9 here, 9 here, 9. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 8. So we need two combinations. There are many ways. So this is one of the way that we can check the combinations here. 2 and 4, 4. Okay, here 4, 4. So we need 4 here or here. So we can write here and also here because in the rows we don't have 4, so just we can leave this 4. Now we can check other combination, 2 here and 2 here. So in this column and this column 2, so we can write 2 here, here and here, but in these two cells we cannot, because in this block we have 2, so this is the only possibility. Okay, like this. Now 2 here and 2 here, so we can write these three possibilities. So just leave this time. We can check other numbers. 9, 9, 9. Okay, 3, 3, 3, 7 and 7. Two combinations 7. And in this row we can write 7. So let's see, here we cannot, because here we have 7, here we have 7. So only two cells. In this cell we have 7 here, so we cannot write here. We can write here 7. So it's done, 7. Okay. Now 7 here, 7 here, two sevens, right? So in this row we can write 7. Here we cannot write 7 because here we have. Here I cannot 7. Here I cannot because 7. So I can write 7 here. Okay. Now here 7 and 7. So this row I cannot write 7. Here I cannot write 7. Here I can write. So 1, 2, 3. Here I cannot write because 7. Here I cannot because 7. Here I can 7. Okay. Now same way we can try to find out two combinations, so it will be easier to solve the puzzle. Okay, 7, 7, 5, 3, 4. Okay, and then 2, 6. Okay, 6, 6, 6. Okay, 9, 9, 9, 5, 4, 4 and 4. Here and here 4. So I want to write 4 here. Here I cannot write 4. Here I cannot write 4 because 4 here. So I cannot write here. I cannot write here. These two possibilities. Here I cannot because 4 is here. I have to cross check in the row. So 4 here. I cannot write here 4. So I can write here 4. 1. So two cells are here. 1, 2 and 6. 2 and 6. 2 I can write here because 6 I cannot write in this cell because 6 is here. So 2 I can write here is 6. So we solve one block, and now we can see here there are 3 blocks, easier to complete. Or here 2 blocks only in this row. We have only 2 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missed. I cannot write 6 because here I have 6. So go here 6. So what is the remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9. I can write here 9. Okay. Then now we have 2 blocks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 8. Here 5, 8. Here is 8. So I cannot write here 8. I can write here 5. So it must be 8. So we solved 2 blocks here and here. Now here it is only one number missed, that is 1. Here one number is missed, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 is not there, and here 2 is missed, right here 2. We solve 1 2 3. 3 blocks are solved. Okay, now you can check here. 1 2 numbers are not here. What are those? 1 2 3 4 is not here, and 5. Can we write here 4? Yeah, we can write 4 because 5 I cannot write because here is 5, so I cannot write here 5, so I go for 4. So remaining number is here 5. Okay, then we can check here. 1 2 3, 3 cells. Okay, 1 2, we don't have 3 6 8. 3 6 8. Here 3, here I cannot write 3 because here is 3. Here I cannot write 6 because I have 6. So 8 is possible. So we have remaining 3 6. 3 and 6 I can write in these two cells. So now we cannot decide because we cannot guess. Okay, we can come back here. Okay, now we can again check the two combinations. 7 7 7 3 2 9 4 3. Okay, 1 5 5 5. Okay, here 5 and here 5. If here two fives, we can write here 1 2 3 4 5 blocks. Here these two blocks 5 I cannot write because 5. Here two cells we cannot write 5 because here is 5. So only one possible location is here is 5. Okay, then now we can write here, we can check in this way. Here is 5, here is 5. So this block here, this column we cannot write. This column we cannot write 5 because 5 5 5 5 is a possibilities, 3 possible locations. So here I cannot write 5 is here, but these two places can be. So the possibilities are there, but we cannot guess, so leave this. Then we have 1 2, we don't have these 3, 2 we don't have, 4 and 6, 2 4 6. Here I can write 6 because 2 is here, 4 is here, so I can write here 6. Now we have we need 2 and 4, so I cannot write here 4 because here is 4, so I write here 2. So possibility, only one possible number is 4. And now here we need only one number, 1 2, we don't have 3, right here 3. Now two cells are here, two cells, 1, we don't have 2 and 8. I cannot write 2 here because 2 is here already. Right here 8, so it must be 2. Okay, now here we have two cells. In this block we have two cells, 1 2, we don't have 3 and 6. 3 and 6. 6 I cannot write here because I have 6, so it must be 3, and here is 6. Okay, then only two blocks here, 1 2 3, we don't have 4 and we don't have 8. I cannot write 4 here because 4, so it must be 8, and here is 4. Now we have one block here, only one cell. Here you can see one cell, that is which number is not here, number 1. Okay, now here two cells are here in this column, 1 2 3 4, we don't have 5 and we don't have 8, 5 and 8. So I cannot write 8 here because 8 is here, so I write 5 here and it must be 8. Okay, and then we have here two cells, 1 2 3 3 and 6, 3 and 6 here, 3, no, we can come back later. Now we have three cells here, two cells in this column. We have two cells. Number 1 is missed, and number 1 3. So 1 and 3, 3 I cannot write because here is 3, so it must be 1 and it is 3. Okay, now we can write here 3 and 6 we needed. We decided, so here I can write 6, sorry, 3, and here 6. Okay, now we have here two cells, here 2 and here 2, then it is done. So which number is not here? 1 2 3 4 5, we don't have 6, we don't have 7. So 7 I cannot write here because I have 7, so it must be 6. Oh, sorry, we already have 7 there. So which number? 1 2 3 4 5, we need 6 and we need 8. Yeah, right, it is right. So it must be 8 here. And these two cells here, 1, we don't have 2, we don't have 5, 2 and 5. So I cannot write here 5 because here's 5. So it must be 2 and here it must be 5. Now I have here two cells, so you can go here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and 1 2 3 4 we don't have 4. Done. Thank you.